Hey everyone, it's Tyler the Antenna Man, and today I'm going to review this Hiboost 10K SmartLink cell phone signal booster. For years, I've talked about how you will get the best TV reception possible with an outdoor antenna. Well, the same rule applies for reliable cell phone reception. A cell phone signal booster, like this one made by Hiboost, can make spotty cell phone service inside your home a lot more reliable. If you're a cord cutter or use an antenna, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I post a new video. While this video is sponsored by Hiboost, the company had no editorial input or early preview of this video. They are seeing it for the first time just like you. So the Hiboost 10K SmartLink cell phone signal booster works with all US carriers, is FCC approved, and covers up to 5,500 square feet. In some cases, this signal booster can be the difference between not having cell phone service inside your house and having a reliable connection as long as there is a signal to be captured outside. All Hiboost signal boosters come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 3-year hassle-free warranty. Here's how the signal booster works. A small receiving antenna takes the signal from the nearest cell phone tower outside and sends it to the Hiboost signal booster inside. The booster then amplifies the signal and repeats it throughout your house with the indoor antenna panel. I tested out this signal booster at my father's house in the Pocono Mountain region of Pennsylvania, where cell phone reception is very spotty inside his house. Did it improve things? Let's find out. If you decide to purchase a cell phone signal booster, be sure to use one of my affiliate links in the pinned comment below or in the description of the video to help support my YouTube channel. For those of you who live in a small house and don't need the whole 5,500 square feet of coverage that this unit offers, I include links to some cheaper signal boosters from Hiboost with smaller coverage areas in the description of the video. First, I installed the receiving antenna outside on the roof with a small J-pole. Note that the signal booster does not come with a mounting pole. You will need to order one separately. I include links to some in the description of the video. I used the Network Cell Info Lite app to locate the cell tower that my cell phone was connected to in order to correctly point the antenna. This app is available on Android phones, but there's likely a similar app available in the App Store for those of you who have an iPhone, but if there isn't, you can use the antennasearch.com or cellmapper.net websites to locate the nearest cell tower based on your service provider. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Signal Supervisor app on my smartphone to pair with the signal booster to see the exact signal levels and fine-tune the direction of the antenna. I tried it for nearly a half hour with 2 different phones, but nothing worked. Hiboost told me they might have accidentally shipped an old version of the signal booster that had issues with Bluetooth, but there shouldn't be a problem with newer stocked units purchased after this video. Without the Signal Supervisor app as a guide, I still eyeballed the direction of the antenna to the nearest cell tower and connected it to the bottom right port of the signal booster labeled outdoor. Next, I connected the bottom left port labeled indoor to the smaller indoor antenna panel to repeat the amplified signal in the house. Keep in mind that you will have to connect these 2 cables together in order to do so. Finally, I connected the Wi-Fi antenna to the booster and plugged it in. Here's a speed test without the cell phone signal booster powered on. Note that there's only about 2 bars of service. The end result was about 3 megabits per second download and 0.1 megabits per second upload. As soon as I plugged in the signal booster, I immediately noticed the service bars on my smartphone went up from 2 bars to full service. Running a speed test again, the download speed quadrupled while the upload speed increased by about 15 times. The signal booster definitely increased the speed and reliability of the cell phone signal inside my dad's house, but I was curious if it would actually bring a signal to a dead spot inside the house. Here's my smartphone in the basement in a spot where there's no service. You'll see that I can't even run a speed test. It gives me an error. After I plugged in the signal booster, my smartphone got nearly full service with decent download speeds, as you'll see on the speed test here. So this cell phone signal booster definitely works. At my dad's house, it significantly improved the speed and reliability of cell phone service inside the house and even eliminated a dead spot. This is definitely something I would recommend if you live in a rural area with spotty cell phone service inside your house and you miss calls from time to time. It may also help with service in a remote cabin as long as you're able to pick up a signal with the receiving antenna somewhere outside on your roof. Although I had issues with the Signal Supervisor app, I was told by Hiboost that the app should work moving forward. Back when I reviewed their SmartLink 4K cell phone signal booster nearly 3 years ago, the app did work and was very helpful to locate the best spot and direction for the antenna where the signal levels were highest. If you live in a very weak signal location where it's critical to fine-tune the location direction of the receiving antenna and you notice the Signal Supervisor app still doesn't work, you can always use the internal display on the signal booster itself to adjust the antenna where the signal levels are highest. If you decide to purchase a cell phone signal booster, be sure to use one of my affiliate links in the pinned comment below or in the description of the video to help support my YouTube channel. Thanks to Hiboost for sponsoring this video, supporting my YouTube channel, and giving me the opportunity to review their cell phone signal booster. An additional thanks to everyone who supports me on Patreon or as a member of my YouTube channel. If my videos help you cut the cord or if you just think they're cool and would like to help support them while gaining exclusive perks, visit patreon.com/antennaman or click the join button in this video, and you can also click the thanks button. Like my Facebook page at facebook.com/antennamanpa or sign up to my email list linked in the description below. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more cord cutting and antenna related videos, and have an awesome day.